Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video episode, we're going to discuss about the mobility of this tank, which I consider the best designed tank of the war in World War II when it comes to mobility. As you can see, this tank is about 34 tons heavy. This is the M4A2A8 or the latest Sherman variant that was produced during the war. And as you notice here, this tank has a very wide track. This is about 23 inches wide, almost 2 feet. And the fact that it's only 34 tons, and if you're going to divide it, you will come out to a very small uh, ground weight ratio. That means that this tank can easily deal with soft grounds like when it's rolling on snow or muddy terrain. It's very small ground ratio, because what happens is the wider the track, the weight is spread even more in a bigger surface area of the track. As you can see here, look at that. The one that is the part of the track that is in contact with the ground allows the weight of the tank to be evenly distributed. And that's why the wider the track, the better it is for the tank to move in any kind of terrain, whether it's snow or muddy soil. Of course, you can always argue that the German Tiger tank has an even wider track that is about 26 inches up to this. But the thing is, the Tiger tank is about more than 60 tons, or about the weight of the Tiger tank is twice as this Sherman tank. And it's the only difference is the track has a wider track, which is 26 inches, which makes this the track of this Sherman tank superior to that of the Germans. That's my take on this. And if you have any comments, please put your comment below and let's talk about this. Thanks for watching.